I'm road walking to on the Blue Ridge Parkway, not something you do every day. It's blocked off, so you can't drive up here right now. So I parked and I've been walking like a mile to get to the trailhead that's off the parkway. Devil's Courthouse. It almost feels like it's gonna snow. Wouldn't that be crazy? And I'll be going up there soon. Blue Ridge Parkway Tunnel. That's where I was. Tennessee and Rich Mountain. And you got to think about the fact that literally nobody is anywhere near me. Crazy. Another bald. It's really cold, but amazing. Still have a little bit further to go up. It's beautiful. That was crazy up there. The sun's starting to go down. A little muddy. Been walking around on this for a long time now. It's basically the trail is a creek with ice in spots. Got a little bit of sunlight left. I gotta hustle. This just doesn't seem right, but I guess it is. Going along a creek bed. These rocks are killing me, but at least I'm not in the river anymore. Times straight up ice. Haven't seen anybody the whole time, and then I'm seeing this guy, and he's freaking me out. He's in all army clad, and then he's got some sort of weird, freaky poncho. He's smoking. He's behind me. I pulled off the side. I'm back. Still have a mile to go to get back to the car. The rest is on the parkway. It's getting late in the day, but I made it out of the woods. I was getting a little stressed. There was no markings, and it didn't appear anybody's been on that trail in a long time. So I consider this one of my, at least the AT, it's marked. I didn't have my power bank as backup, and the only way I could navigate was using GPS on my phone, because there were just, I don't know if they were animal trails or there was no markings, and there was just stuff everywhere, spur trails everywhere. So it could have gone, I could still be up there if my phone had gone dead. I'm on like 1% battery, so on that note, I'm gonna get off. I'm almost to my car, probably maybe it's only like a half mile. I don't really know, but I'm on the road on the Blue Ridge Parkway, and I've got like an hour and a half drive home.